For many folks that want to be able to get fantastic wide-angle shots from up in the air, the field of options was pretty limited. You really only had two options, either needing to hire or maybe flat out buy a super expensive camera boom, or, if you got the guts and the willpower, find a really high place to look down upon your subjects and snap or record away. But thankfully, due to many advancements in modern tech, there is now the chance to pick up a flying drone that does those fantastic high-end shots, but without the safety concerns or getting yourself too high up and falling. And while many drones out there can chew a hole in your wallet, we're here today to help you find a friendly budget drone that will do exactly what you need it to do, but without breaking the bank. So here's our top 3 most popular picks for budget drones. Starting off on our list today, we have the Holy Stone HS110D. The Holy Stone HS110D is a fantastic budget drone that helps to shoot amazing 1080p video with a wide 120-degree HD point-of-view camera that allows you to capture memorable moments with distortion-free and crystal-clear imaging on your phone from the wide-angle lens. Not to mention that the Holy Stone HS110D does come with an altitude hold option, which helps to focus on shooting images while you set your hands off the joystick and drone still suspended in midair with a locked altitude. Plus, the Holy Stone HS110D is a perfect drone for any beginners, kids, starters, or newbies, so in order to have an easy and stable flight experience. There's even a headless mode, which makes the Holy Stone HS110D feel easy to control, especially when the drone is out of sight. What goes on with headless mode is, while the operation of the drone is in relation to the pilot, it gives you a way to have the drone practically follow you and act like a second head. The drone is also equipped with 3D flips to make your day have a little bit of fun while out playing with it. You can easily control the Holy Stone HS110 through the app and have multiple functions like voice control, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor controls that can all be easily affected through the app. The Holy Stone HS110 does come with 2 mobile batteries, which helps to support up to 20 minutes of flight time, and that makes it easy to get tons of footage for whatever your project is. And the batteries are also super easy to replace and charge without having to feel as though you gotta learn some rocket science with a ton of gizmos and gadgets just to be able to get back out and take amazing aerial photos. By the way, today's sponsor is Total AV. Total AV is consistently the top choice to protect all of your household devices, computers, laptops, and smartphones from any sort of viruses, malware, and hackers. You can check the description of our full review along with an exclusive 80% discount if you're interested. Coming up next on our list, we have the AKASO A31. The AKASO A31 drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera for being able to take stunning aerial photos and videos in stunning quality that is hard to find on many budget cameras. And with built-in Wi-Fi capability, you can see exactly what your drone's camera sees after installing the accompanying app from the App Store or Google Play. Also included is a colorful LED light attachment for impressive night flying. Also, the simple takeoff and landing plus altitude hold features allow you to take off and land with the simplest press of a button. Using the altitude hold option, you can accurately lock your drone's height and location to enable steady pictures and videos from any angle. Show off your piloting skills with the A31's in-air barrel roll feature, along with its built-in auto return, which helps the drone return automatically to its initial starting position. There's even a headless mode and trimming function that really do make this drone such a high-quality choice. In headless mode, the drone will move forward, backward, and side to side relative to the original orientation of the drone with the buttons pushed, instead of relative to the front of the drone. The trimming function allows you to make small adjustments to the tilt of the drone to enable steady hovering even in light wind. There's even a gravity sensor mode, which allows the user to control the flight right, left, forward, and backward by holding and moving your smartphone accordingly, along with a trajectory flight mode that will let you simply draw a flight path on screen of your smartphone, and the drone will fly following the path accordingly. And don't worry about bumping into anything and breaking the drone, as the AKASO A31 comes equipped with 4 propeller guards so as to protect the fuselage in case of collision. The high-quality ABS shell protects the drone in any sudden vibration and fall. Coming to the end of our list, we've got the DROCON Bugs 3. If you want a long-lasting drone that will let you enjoy the world for many years to come, then you need to check out the DROCON Bugs 3 with its brushless motor that won't overheat and melt like plastic, so that way you'll be able to get a longer lifespan. They don't fray and spark like regular brush motors, so they are safer and more effective in being able to keep your drone from being overused and making you buy a new one every so often. You can fly for up to 20 minutes with a super smooth and super stable path that won't be rocking and rolling with every small breeze, because the DROCON comes with a perfectly balanced body and stabilizing control that lets you get amazing shots without having that wobbling of other drones on the market. Also, thanks to its long-distance remote control alarm, whenever your drone becomes a tiny speck in the distance, you will still retain 100% control. In fact, you'll be able to fly upwards of up to 1,000 feet and beyond in seconds and capture incredible shots of breathtaking vistas. Now, I just gotta mention something which is so cool with this drone as well, is that you can fly against high-speed winds thanks to the Bugs 3 being made of durable nylon fiber material, and the weight at only 1.4 kilograms, giving you the ability to be powerful enough to enable you to fly a drone whenever you want, even against the highest speed winds. Not to mention that if you want to pull off some cool tricks, you can totally do that with 3D rolls and flips. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular budget drones out there in the market. Which one do you want to go out and grab to make your next big adventure have fantastic aerial shots? And are there any budget drones that we missed that you think should have been on the list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you do enjoy this video, then please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do, plus subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you do want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out down in the description below if you want to pick them up. If you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then click on one of these videos here to be able to learn more.